The evolution of dentures, from animal teeth to modern prosthetics. Dentures were utilized for a long time to replace missing teeth and to improve the appearance and function of your mouth. Dentures' history can be traced to the ancient times, when individuals used various substances to make fake teeth. From the animal teeth of today to prosthetics, the development of dentures has been a thrilling trip. Animal teeth as dentures. The earliest form of dentures was the usage of teeth from animals. At the time of ancient times, individuals would make use of animals' teeth, like teeth from pigs, cows, horses, and cows, to fill in missing teeth. Animal teeth were typically designed and cut to look like human teeth, and were then connected to gums with glue or wires. Although animal teeth were easily accessible and reasonably priced, however, they weren't the best option to make dentures. They were susceptible to decay, and frequently did not sit properly in the mouth, causing discomfort and difficulties chewing. However, despite these disadvantages, the animal teeth were the most common type of dentures over the centuries. The rise of wooden dentures. The advancement of civilization also did the material used to make dentures. The 16th century saw dentures made of wood became a favorite among the elite of the rich. Dentures are typically made out of ivory or boxwood designed to match the person's mouth. Dentures made of wood were stronger than animals' teeth, and they can be cut and shaped in accordance with the size and shape of the mouth. Dentures made of wood weren't without problems. They were extremely heavy and uncomfortable. They also frequently cracked or warped over the course of. However, despite these disadvantages, the wooden dentures were used for a long time until the more modern materials were accessible. The of porcelain dentures. The 18th century was when porcelain was the first option to make dentures. It was strong, natural-looking, and able to be made to conform to the mouth of the wearer more precisely. Dentures made of porcelain were cleaner than animal or wooden dentures since they didn't decay and take in food videos. Dentures made of porcelain quickly became popular in the upper class and were regarded as a sign of status and wealth. But they are fragile and susceptible to break, which made the maintenance of them costly. Even with their fragility, porcelain dentures were popular up until the beginning of the 20th century as more sophisticated materials became available. The development of modern prosthetics. The 20th century saw advancements in material revolutionized the world of dental care. The use of materials like acrylic resin as well as metal alloys were developed, which made dentures more lightweight, durable, and comfy to use. Modern prosthetics can be adjusted to suit the person's mouth precisely and are designed to replicate the appearance of teeth that are natural. Dentures of the present also incorporate advances in the field of technology, like 3D printing and digital imaging that allowed for better fitting and more accurate. Dentists can now design dentures that look natural, but also worked like natural teeth. This allowed users to chew and talk easily. Dentures are continuing to change with the advent of new materials and techniques. Implant-supported dentures, fixed to jawbones using dental implants, provide an even more secure and stable fitting than conventional dentures. Dentures that are flexible, constructed from soft and pliable material, are more pleasant to wear and less prone to trigger irritation or painful areas. Dentures' future is promising, thanks to continuing research and development focusing to creating more realistic and comfy prosthetics. Materials like ceramics as well as composite resins are being studied to discover their aesthetic beauty as well as their durability. Digital dentistry advances and computer-aided design have led to better and more precise denture fittings that result in improved results for patients. The evolution of dentures, from animals' teeth to the modern prosthetics, are a testimony to the advances in dental technology over time. From uncomfortable and inconvenient makeshift solutions to advanced and natural-looking prosthetics, dental implants have made significant strides in enhancing the lives of people who have lost their teeth. Through continued research and innovation, dentures' future is looking promising and will provide greater options to those who require tooth replacement.